Have you ever tried speaking Igbo language and got stuck for want of words, like this my Chinese friend? Worry no more, because we are here for you. Just follow our video series as we lead you to 1000 Igbo words vocabulary. In this episode 6, we are giving you 64-letter words. Don't forget to subscribe and watch till the end so that you don't miss any part of it. Now, let us go to the classroom. You are welcome to the class. Let's begin right away. Abali, night. Listen to the pronunciation. Abali, night. Abo, two. Abo, two. Abum, I am. The alphabet in yellow color represents I. But let's go to the teacher's note to get more explanations. Let's look at the teacher's note. Here we're considering the use of subject, object, and possessive pronouns in Igbo language. 4 pronouns are considered here: I, me, my, and my. And 4 of them are all represented in Igbo language with the word mo. But in actual usage, the O goes off, leaving us with only m. And that's what we have in all the words in yellow color. M at the back, showing wherever we have I, me, my, and my. Now let's go back to the class. You are welcome back. Let's continue from where we stopped. Aham, my name. Aham, my name. Ahum, my body. Ahum, my body. Afum, my belly. Afum, my belly. Abam, my jaw. Abam, my jaw. Abam, my bag. Abam, my bag. Akam, my hand. Akam, my hand. Anyam, my eyes. Azum, my back. Azum, my back. Banye, go in. Banye, go in. Bata, come in. Bata, come in. Biara, came. Biara, came. Biri, leave. Biri, leave. Bido, start. Bido, start. You can also pronounce as Bido, start. Bipu, cut off. Bipu, cut off. Binye, lend, as we lend money. Binye, lend. Bute, carry in. Bute, carry in. Bupu, carry away. Bupu, carry away. Borrow, became. Borrow, became. Chere, wait. Chere, wait. Chopo, chase away. Chopo, chase away. Chinye, carry and give. Chinye, carry and give. Used for more than one object. Chere, gather and carry. Used for more than one object. Choro, want. Choro, want. Chute, fetch, as we fetch water. Or chute, fetch, if you are giving instruction. Dara, fell. Dara, fell. Danye, fall into. Danye, fall into. Dapo, fall away. Dapo, fall away. Dere, root. Dere, root. Denye or deba, right inside. Denye or deba, right inside, as we write inside a book. DK, strong person. DK, strong person. Dika, like. Dika, like. Doro, pool, or Doro, pool, if you are giving instruction. Doro, pool. Dupu, lead away. Dupu, lead away. Eba, here. Eba, here. Ekwem, I agree. We have explained the use of I and other pronouns. Ekwem, I agree. Enyim, my friend. Enyim, my friend. Ewum, my goat. Ewum, my goat. Fepu, fly away. Fepu, fly away. Fanye, force into. Fanye, force into. Fopu, some call it hopu, pull out. Fopu or hopu, pull out. Gafe, cross over. Gafe, cross over. Gunye, count among. Gunye, count among. Bapo, run away. Bapo, run away. Bopo, vomit out, or simply vomit. Bopo, vomit. Bupu, cut off. Bupu, cut off. Rara, left behind. Rara, left behind. Wopo, scoop out. Wopo, scoop out. Roro, pluck. Roro, pluck. Guam, tell me. The same pronoun being used. Guam, tell me. Hapo, leave. Hapo, leave. Horo, saw. Horo, saw. Hicha, clean. Hicha, clean. Horo, choose. Horo, choose. Hunye, shake in. Hunye, shake in. Juru is full. Juru is full. Jiko, hold together. Jiko, hold together. Jere, went. Jere, went. With that, we come to the end of our lesson today. If you have not subscribed, please do so now. And I will have displayed before the screen the video we selected and we think will be very useful to you next. So click on it now, watch it to the end, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching. God bless you.